Bosch Dishwasher Error E92 10. So this code is commonly linked to a blocked lower spray arm, power control spray arm issue, or sometimes even just a dirty filter or spray circulation problem. So first of all, you can turn the dishwasher off, press power for off, then turn off the dishwasher at the breaker for about 30 seconds. This is recommended since a breaker reset for several electronic dishwasher can fix some faults. The next thing you can also try is to check the lower spray arm. So pull out the bottom rack and spin the lower spray arm by hand. If it works, you can also remove any sort of utensil, anything that is blocking it, kind of debris. And then you can also make sure you clean the spray arm holes, since if the holes are clogged, you can try rinsing the spray arm under running water and using a soft brush or toothpick gently to clear buildup. Also go ahead and try cleaning the filter. So remove the bottom filter, wash it with mild soap and a soft brush, then reinstall it properly. So this is recommended since a blocked filter can also cause dishwasher errors and cleaning issues. Then you can just go ahead and try running a test cycle. Turn the power back on and run a short cycle. And if the error does return, stop using the dishwasher and maybe you can try contacting Bosch support because it may involve the lower spray arm motor, gearbox, or the center or control system having a problem that needs an actual technician to solve the problem. But hopefully this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.